What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, as iPhone season is finally here, first things first, it's time for that screen protector. And what better than ESR? They've kindly sent over the privacy protector. This is now the new way that they're going to do protectors, even the standard one. So I figured I'd show you this. So there'll be links in the description down below to the privacy and the standard for pretty much all the models. So check the link down below. But this right here is the privacy screen protector. You get 3 in the box. This is the new system that they use where it's a pull tab, so looking forward to showing you that. Advanced privacy filter, easy application. Flip it over, same thing, full screen coverage, military grade protection, and as you can see for 2024 Pro Max curved edges, so we'll see what it looks like. Let's just go ahead and take it out. Okay, so there we go. So peel that top part off, and there is the care instructions and watch the quick setup video, activate 24-month warranty and the customer support. So there's that. Then the scan to watch a quick setup video on basically how to do it, and it talks you through it. Then you got your applications right there, and then we have the little rubber piece that goes underneath so your phone doesn't slide. And then one screen protector already attached. These are your privacy protectors, your extra ones. Let's put in this that way. Just have it sliding around and place it on top like so. And then inside this part right here, it's open at the top. Out you come. So you get 3 wet wipes, we're going to need 1. 3 dust removal stickers and a ESR microfiber cloth. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your wet wipe first, you're going to peel it off, open it out like so. Now these are quite wet, so what you're going to do is you're going to really go over it, but then I like to use the microfiber so like no wetness is going through onto the privacy protector. So as I've took it out yesterday, it's then the day later, it's covered in like dust and fingerprints from me using it, setting it all up. So there's that. Then I like to take the microfiber and just basically go over it, like sort of buffing the wetness off the screen. Okay, then grab one of your dust removal stickers. You only need the one. So let's take that and let's see if there's any dust on the screen. So you're just going to dab any little bits of dust that you can see. You're going to place it up where it says top. You're going to go over your phone like so. Make sure it's on there, and you're going to grab this tab right here and you're going to pull down. There we go. Let's see, let's take this off. And it takes off like so, and it takes the front piece off. And there we go. There's a few bubbles in there, so I just need to take them out. So let me, obviously as well, if you can do this with your screen turned off, don't do it with it on. So as you can see, it's now fully fitted, and when you turn the screen, it goes into privacy, so anyone from the side wouldn't be able to see the phone like so. I mean, that's pretty cool right there, just in itself, just to be able to do that and no one see what's on your screen. So yeah, so nice easy install of the ESR privacy screen protector. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now I do still have a couple of bubbles just in the top up here, but as you can see, if I push on them, they do go away. So it's going to take a little tiny bit of time just to get the glue to set in them certain areas. So you'll see like B-roll over the top right now of me showing off the phone without any bubbles on it. You just got to keep basically pushing onto the screen and just get it to set. So obviously, because it was too wet, but using this, that's the issue. If you don't get the old wetness off, that's what you'd end up with. But they do come out, you just got to keep going at it and it will come out, I assure you. But a lot of people say about the privacy protectors as well, you know, where you can see the lines in the screen. With the ESR ones, you can't see that. It looks absolutely flawless. You think of that in the comment section down below. I think it looks fantastic, and ESR again, I've knocked it out the park. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, all the links will be in the description down below of where you can pick up your ESR privacy or standard screen protector with this new Pulse system. Super easy to install, and as I say, just with the bubbles, you just got to keep going at it, and eventually it will go, I assure you. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you all soon.